There you go. I'm so happy and proud to pre-launch this personal wellness device. We are entering the personal wellness device space, which is $1 billion space all over the world. Wellness devices that make you feel good, make you look younger, makes you feel healthier, relieves pain. This is what we call category creator. Meaning the competition is not that much. Because when you talk about food supplement, there's so many food supplements. But with this personal wellness device, it's a category creator. Ladies and gentlemen, the Terra Fusion blower. Let me show you the packaging alone. The packaging alone, you know it's premium. It's like this. You look at the packaging. So when you open it up, it's a device, triple power device that has negative ion emitter. It has thermal heat or thermal power that provides heat, and it has terahertz. Everybody say terahertz. So all of this combined provides a powerful frequency that activates the frequency of our cells. Because many of our cells are dormant. Being dormant or inactive for so many years, making us feel sick, unwell. The good thing with this personal wellness device, it's like giving you a good, deep massage 100 times. So 10 minutes with this blower, para kang minasahe ng 100 times. Isang masahe nga lang eh. Pag maganda yung pagkaka-render sa'yo eh. Masarap ang tulog. Tama o tama? 100 times pa kaya. And with that deep sleep, there's deep recovery, there's deep recuperation and regeneration. Mas lalong gumagaling yung katawan mo. Yung katawan mismo ang nagpapagaling sa'yo. So maraming device ang nauuso ngayon. This is one of which. So the good thing here is that this product can be delivered door to door anywhere in the world.
Wow.
So this is one of the reasons why we can open in United Kingdom before the year ends.
Wow.
So this is a very, very unique product along with our consumables, the C24/7. Consumable products, C24/7, and this device, personal wellness device, this will be launched in United Kingdom very, very soon. Excited ka na ba? Yes! Next slide, please. NMN. Everybody say NMN. Nicotinamide mononucleotide. It's one of the most powerful ingredients that has been researched, well studied for the past 5 to 7 years by well-known and famous doctors like Dr. David Sinclair, an anti-aging expert. So a lot has been said about this particular product. These are the newer ingredients in the market right now that has a proven effect that it reverses the aging process. Tumatanda man ang edad mo, pero yung organ system mo, pinapabata niya. So let's just say you're 60 years old, you're 60. Probably yung heart mo is age 65. Yung lungs mo is age 68. Mas matanda because of stress, because of free radicals, because of diet. Now the good thing, if you keep on taking NMN, it reverses the aging process of your organ system. Mas nagiging sharp ka, okay? Memory retention tumataas, metabolism bumibilis, masarap ang tulog, energetic, hindi nagkakaroon ng muscle wasting o nawawala ng muscle, mas nadidevelop. So this is the new generation of supplements nowadays, and we're coming up with our own version of this. Premium. Box pa lang, bote pa lang, alam mo premium na. Excited ka ba?
Yes!
new territories to conquer, new products to launch here and abroad. Doc, what else? Next slide, G. There you go, PGI.
Wow.
Excited ka na bang mag-travel ulit? Our next PGI travel would be, show them, Taiwan. Pupunta ng Taipei, Taichung, and Salmon Lake. Yung na-experience ng OBA, yung mga nag-travel sa Taiwan na OBA,